Let's design your ID card. First, open the template in Canva. Scroll down to page 2 and zoom in so you can see what you're doing. Upload a photo by dragging it into Canva on your template. It will be saved in the Uploads folder. Drag the photo into the frame. Click it twice to adjust the size. Enter any contact information you wish to include. Add your state and country. To add a state icon, scroll down to page 4. Choose your state from the list. Right-click it to copy. Then go back to page 2 and paste it. Drag the corners to enlarge it. Then position it where you want it to appear on the card. To change the transparency, click the fade box in the toolbar. Now we're going to send it to the back by right-clicking on it again, and selecting Send to Back. If you send it all the way back, it will disappear. But don't worry, you can select Send Forward and it will come right back. Now let's design the back of the card. Add a photo of the child or guardian, and any contact information you would like to include. With this template, you can create up to 4 ID cards for multiple copies or kids. Now let's download it and get it ready to print. Select only pages 2 and 3. Download the 2 pages as PDF print files. And there you have it. You can print the PDF front to back, or send it to a print shop and have it laminated. I hope this tutorial helps you in your design. If you need assistance or have any questions, please feel free to contact me at talkintownenglish@gmail.com. Enjoy your ID cards. Thanks again.